back, supercoders! Today, we're diving into the stamp block in Scratch, a fun way to create patterns and effects. Let's get straight into it. So what is the stamp block? The stamp block takes a snapshot of your sprite and leaves it behind on the stage, kind of like a magic stamp. Let's make our sprite leaf stamps while following the mouse pointer. Start with a when green flag clicked block and add a go to mouse pointer block. Then place a stamp block right after it. This will make your sprite follow the mouse and leave a stamp wherever it goes. Let's see it in action. Now, let's make the trail more interesting by adding a next costume block after the stamp block. This will make each stamp look different as the sprite changes its appearance. Show the code when green flag clicked. Go to mouse pointer, stamp. Next costume. Now, when you move the mouse, each stamp changes its look. Click the green flag again and watch the colorful pattern appear. Keep creating and keep coding. Let me know what you are going to make.